Bicol University is a premier university in the Philippines, nestled between coastal and offshore seas, mountains, and a volcano. As a top-notch university in the country, it records a massive enrollment of about 25,000 students, served by 450 faculty members. It belongs to the top 10 among the 112 state universities and colleges in terms of government funding. This institution promotes scholarship, leadership, character, and service as its core values. It affirmed the pursuit of unity and the finest educational excellence. Bicol University envisioned a world-class university where good leaders came from and who will change the future for the better. Bicol University intends to provide students necessary training, advanced guidelines, and teachings in various disciplines in literature, philosophy, science, and the arts, technology, and scientific research. The university aims to develop an institution that enables a healthy environment where students learn and helps them fulfill their dreams and hopes for the future. Welcome to Bicol University, where academic excellence and professional development are at the heart of our mission. Are you looking for a course that will help you set up for success in the field of business and finance? Look no further than the Bachelor of Science in Accountancy at Bicol University College of Business, Economics, and Management. The Bachelor of Science in Accountancy program at BUCBM is designed to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of accounting principles and practices, financial management, and taxation. With a curriculum that focuses on both theoretical and practical aspects of accounting, you'll gain the skills and knowledge you need to succeed in the dynamic and ever-changing field of accounting.
One of the top colleges of Bicol University is the Bicol University College of Business, Economics, and Management, wherein one of its goals is to establish the highest degree of efficiency, effectiveness, and collegiality in making decisions and transparency in the administrative system.
The institution of higher learning made its mark not just on its own mother town and province, but also on the entire country and the international community. Its graduates consistently bring the school to the nation's best in the accountancy licensure examination and produce top-notchers in the CPA licensure examination. Bachelor of Science in Accountancy is one of the programs designed to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of accounting principles and practices, financial management, auditing, and taxation. With a curriculum that accentuates understanding theoretical and practical aspects, you will gain the skills, techniques, and knowledge you need to succeed in dynamic and ever-changing accounting.
I chose Bachelor of Science in Accountancy because I want to challenge myself, which would push me to become a better student and a future accountant with transparency and superb knowledge. This program would equip me with the necessary skills and knowledge needed to succeed in the industry. I know that Bachelor of Science in Accountancy from Bicol University College of Business, Economics, and Management would give me the skills and knowledge needed to succeed in this field.
As a BS Accountancy student at BUCBM, you'll have the opportunity to work on real-world accounting projects, participate in internships with top accounting firms, and attend industry events to gain a better understanding of their profession.
So, being a BSA student has been an incredible experience. This program challenged me to think critically and develop strong problem-solving skills with excellent analysis. The professors are knowledgeable, they are also supportive, and they are always willing to lend a hand to those students who are struggling.
My goal as a BSA student is to become a certified public accountant and work for a top accounting firm. I am well aware that the journey towards becoming a CPA is a rough road to take, but with the experiences and knowledge I've gained here at BUCBM, I am confident that I can achieve that goal.
To provide the highest quality of education in the field of business, economics, and management that is responsive to regional and national development. To pursue relevant research and extension facilities through linkages with business organizations and government and non-government agencies. to initiate vigorously income-generating activities for improving the financial capability of the college, and to establish the highest degree of efficiency, effectiveness, collegiality in making decisions, and transparency in the administrative system. Every BUCBM graduate should demonstrate a high level of mastery and competence in business, economics, and management, and contribute to organizational performance and regional and national development for societal transformation. Demonstrate effective, efficient, and ethical practice of profession in public, private, academe, or government sector. Manifest transformative research skills towards the identification of innovative solutions to existing and new problems and the discovery and creation of new knowledge for effective decision-making. Initiate extension programs that will address issues on sustainable livelihood and community development, and create centers that will showcase and commercialize research-based technologies and products to improve the financial capability of the college for self-sustainability.
Basta magaling, susipan ng galing.